welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Today we're going to make, as you know, I'm only doing like short dishes because I'm recuperating. So I've been using a lot of leftovers and showing you what you can use in the kitchen. Today's menu though is something that my mom used for us also. I'm just putting my twist on it. So today's menu, here are my ingredients for my menu today. This is some leftover rice. So sometimes mama just have a little bit of rice in the bottom of the pot and she makes it work. So I would say this is about maybe a little less than 3 cups of rice. And I'm gonna be making some rice oatmeal porridge. So that's my rice, here's my oatmeal. And I'm gonna be using some coconut milk, but this is the powder. I'm gonna use some coconut sugar for my sweetener. I'm gonna be using some condensed creamer and nutmeg with my spices like vanilla, cinnamon, rose water, and some orange peel powder with a little bit of salt. But first, over here I have my spice that I already boiled. This is cinnamon and orange peel with some pimento seeds that I'll be adding to it. So here you have it for today. And I will see you when I get back, but please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, so guys, with my rice already cooked, you know that it's already cooked, I'm just going to add my additional ingredients. So this is my rice. Now I'm gonna add this is 2 cups of oatmeal, but I had it in water, so. The only thing needs to cook right here is the oatmeal. And you know that oatmeal takes like, because this is the old-fashioned, maybe 15-20 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my spice that I boiled with the coconut, with a 1/2 cup of coconut milk powder. So now I'm gonna have this boil for like 15 minutes, constantly stirring to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And then I'll see you guys right after that. Okay guys, so it's been like 13 minutes. And as you see, it's very thick. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. You can add the water that you, the amount that you want to the thickness that you like it, because like in Finland, they make it looks like a lump, like soft rice. And that's their porridge. But us Jamaica, we like to make it have more liquid. And like me. So I'm just adding a little bit water as I go to the thickness of how much I like it. And I think we have 5 more minutes to go. So guys, this is the thickness how I like mine. So now I'm gonna add my sweetener to it. So you see, that's the thickness how I like mine. So now I'm gonna add like, I would say a 1/2 cup of condensed creamer. just had a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of cinnamon extract, half of vanilla extract, and half of rose water, and a quarter teaspoon of orange peel. Now you can sweeten it to your taste. So a half a cup of coconut sugar and some salt. So my FK gang, here is my oatmeal rice porridge. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's quick and easy and very delicious. Just with some overnight rice, all right? You can use fresh rice also, but I'm just doing what Mama did. Anyway, before I go, I do have a scripture of the day. It's from Psalms 19, verse 1. The heaven declares the glory of God. If the heavens can declare the glory of God, so can we, and so can you. And I just want to know, in everything you do, give God the glory. And from me to you guys, thank you guys so much for always making me smile. Thank you. I'm humbled and I'm grateful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and send everyone over to Fergie's Kitchen because we have so much fun here. Thank you guys for watching.